What's up, everyone? This is Evgen from the local Canadian company Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg. It's time to troubleshoot LG appliances. Today's video is about repairing and servicing an LG WM2233CS washer in the Charswood area of Winnipeg. I will show you a simple solution to one of the most common problems with an LG washer. A puddle from on the floor under the washer. Don't worry, it won't take more than 5 minutes. Let's go. I visually inspect the washer body for external leaks in the area of the detergent tray, around the hatch door and near the connection of the water supply hoses. I didn't find any significant signs of leaks on the body. I'm starting to inspect the internal components. Next, I remove the top cover and visually inspect the internal components. Gotcha! The cause of the leak has been identified. The cold water supply valve has obvious signs of malfunction, including leaks and water on top of it. It needs to be replaced. To replace the water supply valve, I turned off the power of the washer. I disconnect the terminals and screw the two screws securing the valve of the washer body, and disconnect the clamp securing the rubber hoses supplying water to the detergent container. I removed the old valve and installed the new cold water supply valve in its place in the reverse order. I carefully wipe off all the water. Without unscrewing the top protective cover, I turn on the washer for testing and quality control of the work done. Success completed. I screw on the top cover and test the washer in all modes, simultaneously checking for leaks during operation. The washer has been tested in all modes and is ready for future use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about repairing LG washer or questions about any other appliances, shoot to us in the comments, and the Appliance Fix Lab team will answer them. So, I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the servicing appliances in Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I'm make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.